Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I'm about to get my shave on, but before I do, I want to respond to an email question that arrived. We get all kinds of questions. This one just came in a couple days ago. The gentleman asked, how do you get a blade out of its container? And I thought, what is he referring to? So I actually looked up his order and I saw that he ordered a package of feather blades and he also ordered a package of Parker blades. And I do know that the blades can be packed pretty tightly inside these cases sometimes. So I guess that's what he was referring to. Sent him an email, explained it, and he said, yep, that's the one. So I'm going to take a minute now because he can't be the only one who's had this issue. And I feel that all questions are good questions. So I'm going to respond to it in this video. I will demonstrate right now how to take a new package of blades and remove the plastic, remove the blade, and then what to do with the blade when it's too dull to shave with, and you can dispose of it properly, remove it from your razor, dispose of it properly. I'll go over that quickly too. And I'll post some videos along the way so you can check those out, related topics to this. All right, let's get to work. Email question: how do you get a blade out of its container? Remove the plastic from the package. This can be done easily by pulling the plastic strip. You can also cut the plastic with a kitchen knife. Hold the package with the label facing up. Slide the label to the side to reveal the blades below. Slide out a blade with your thumb or finger. Slide the label back. Remove the wrapped blade from the case. If the blades are packed tightly, use a pencil eraser to slide the blade over. You can also remove the label from the carton and put it back in later. If there are just a few blades left in the pack, it may be easier to turn the case upside down so the blades fall toward the slot. Carefully remove the paper to expose the blade. The paper may be glued. Gently pull it away from the blade. Do not touch the sharp edges of the blade. Save the paper. It can be used to dispose of the blade later. Insert the blade into your razor. And get your shave on. When the blade becomes too dull to shave with, carefully remove it from the razor. Insert it into the blade disposal slot in the back of the case. This is a safe way to dispose of your razor blades. When all of the blades are used and inserted into the case, dispose of the case safely or recycle it if possible. Spent blades can also be disposed of by returning them to their paper wrapper, closing the wrapper, then carefully folding one side of the blade over the other until you hear it snap twice. Then dispose of it safely. Blades can also be disposed of easily and quickly by dropping them into a blade disposal bank. I'm back. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to pick up any of these items, razors, blades, disposal banks, any of that, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab them right there, or go to ShaveNation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Do me a favor before I head out, smash that subscribe button down there, and then ring the bell. Down there, ring it. That way you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. You won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.
Uh-oh. Looks
like I have a 4 o'clock shadow, gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.